We're checking it out tonight. We've had some patchy flurries, even some patchy areas of freezing drizzle around the region today. Some of that freezing drizzle south of us into Warren County, and then still some lake effect snows streaming off of Lake Michigan, affecting northeast Indiana and even running down into Champaign and Logan counties, where we're seeing some flurries tonight. Let's go ahead and check out that area again down south there. That's where we're seeing some of the sprinkles, some of the very light freezing drizzle, so watch out for some icy roads. Of course, the overnight snowfall, which some of the heaviest was over the eastern part of Montgomery County and the western and southwestern portions of Greene County, too, where we saw some totals up to 2 and even a little bit over that. But much of the region last night picking up about an inch or so of that overnight snowfall. And some of the totals estimated by Live Doppler 2X showing the lighter amounts to the west of us, generally under an inch as you go out into the western part of Montgomery County into Preble County, but Doppler estimates of up to about an inch up into the southwest part of Clark County. But you can see the highest level right there where you can kind of see that little light shade of blue. That's where some of the heaviest totals fell, from the east side of Dayton down through Kettering to Centerville over towards the Xenia area and down south towards Bellbrook. Doppler estimates in excess of that 2-inch mark. Let's go ahead and check out that forecast this evening. Watch out for some areas of ice. Of course, that'll be redeveloping any melting that might have taken place today with that sun angle. Even though it's pretty low this time of year, you do get a little bit of melting as the heat comes through the clouds, but that'll be refreezing. 19 degrees at 7 o'clock, 18 at 9 p.m. and 11 p.m., 16 degrees. Watch out for a couple of spotty flurries and some light freezing drizzle still possibility into the evening. But then heading into tomorrow, it looks like we'll see a mostly cloudy day. Some breaks in the afternoon, 14 at 8 o'clock, 18 degrees at noon, and then heading towards 22 at 5 p.m. And tonight here in Dayton, as we see a little bit of light snow cover there in downtown, 19 degrees our current reading, trying to get up to that 20-degree mark today. Still a bit of a breeze out of the west at 16 miles an hour, and that's producing a wind chill value of 5. Temperatures tonight, upper teens, low 20s for us. Once again, a little pocket of colder air coming into the western portions of Indiana, and you can really see the cold air to the west of us over the plains. Still some single-digit numbers around Omaha and Des Moines, Iowa, and cold air, only 32 degrees in Atlanta. And tonight, once again, we're going to be looking at freezing temperatures all the way down south, even heading down towards Miami. We have freeze warnings in effect for tonight, and that'll be in effect until tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So all your neighbors and all the snowbirds that try to get away from the cold, they're still going to be dealing with it. As we look back to the west, our next weather system taking shape with some snow working out over the northern plain states. Of course, still some of that lake effect snow for us, but a weak area of high pressure slides across the region tomorrow should keep things fairly quiet. Well, we'll be watching that low to the west because that'll be affecting our weather, especially as we go into Thursday. So still some flurries around tonight on future track with that cold air remaining in place. Overnight lows in the teens. Could see a few breaks in the clouds during the day tomorrow, maybe an early morning flurry, but here comes that snow area working in by early in the day on Thursday, especially across Indiana. But even here we could see some light snow start to work in, and then that snow around during the day and into the evening, and we could be looking at several inches of snow accumulation. Our snowfall forecast here on future track, you can see those totals going up as we roll on into Thursday. Notice any amounts over the next 24 hours well under an inch, but then those increasing totals by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. So tonight, a couple of flurries possible. Could see some patchy evening freezing drizzle, overnight low 14. A chance for a morning flurry tomorrow with a high of 23. Otherwise, a mostly cloudy day. Maybe a little hazy sunshine from time to time. Your hour-by-hour forecast, cold one coming up. Again, that slight chance of an early morning flurry. And then your 7-day planner, the snow rolls in on Thursday. Snow, a real good chance there. And we'll probably be looking at accumulations in the range of 2 to 4 inches. That'd be the most likely amounts, but stay tuned because that could change.